This is Jasmine Sullivan, In Love with Another Man. I'm gonna do a little bit of the song, not the whole thing. So to jump right into it, here we go. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. You treated me so much better than him, and if I would say there'll be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm in love with another man, and I know I ain't right. Hey, you should go and find someone else who would treat you right and give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are, 'cause baby, you shine so bright, I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you, but I'm in love with someone else. That's it.